After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this comprehensive overview of the Volnamol legging organizer for closet aims to provide a clear, expert-driven perspective on what real users like and dislike about this product. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel. The Volnamol legging organizer for closet is designed to address a common problem faced by many: the challenge of organizing and storing multiple pairs of leggings, yoga pants, and similar garments in a way that is both space efficient and accessible. This product is sold as a set of 2 metal hangers, each equipped with 10 large rubber-coated clips, allowing for a total storage capacity of up to 20 pairs of leggings. The organizers are constructed from high-quality carbon steel, finished with electroplating for enhanced durability, and feature smooth, rubberized edges on the clips to prevent damage or creasing to delicate fabrics. The hangers are available in a pink color, adding a touch of personality to the closet space. One of the most frequently cited advantages of the Volnamol legging organizer is its impressive capacity. Users consistently report that the ability to hang up to 20 pairs of leggings on just 2 hangers is a significant space saver, especially for those with limited closet space or an extensive collection of activewear. The design allows for the hangers to be used immediately out of the box, with no assembly required. This plug-and-play usability is highly valued by customers who want a quick and hassle-free solution to their storage needs. The clips themselves are a standout feature, with many reviewers noting their strength and reliability. The rubber coating ensures that even delicate leggings remain free from snags or marks, while the tight grip prevents items from slipping off, even when the organizer is fully loaded. This is particularly important for those who own a variety of leggings, from lightweight, stretchy fabrics to thicker, compression-style garments. The organizer is also versatile enough to accommodate other items such as shorts, jeans, skirts, scarves, ties, bras, and even belts, making it a multifunctional addition to any closet. In terms of daily use, the organizer's design allows users to easily view and access their entire collection of leggings at once. This visual accessibility is frequently highlighted as a major benefit, as it encourages wearers to rotate through their wardrobe rather than defaulting to the same few pairs. For individuals who work out regularly or have a large selection of activewear, this means less time spent searching for the right pair and more efficient use of closet space. Several users mentioned that the organizer has helped them rediscover forgotten items and make better use of their existing wardrobe. The build quality of the Volnamol legging organizer receives generally positive feedback. The carbon steel construction provides a solid feel, and the electroplated finish offers resistance to corrosion and wear. The rubberized clips are praised for their smooth operation and protective qualities. However, some users express concerns about the long-term durability of certain components. In particular, a minority of reviewers report issues with the clips becoming detached from the hanger or the top rod bending under heavy loads. These incidents appear to be relatively rare, but are worth noting for those who plan to use the organizer for heavier items or at maximum capacity. Another recurring theme in user feedback is the balance between capacity and accessibility. While the ability to hang 10 pairs of leggings on a single organizer is a major selling point, some users find that the high density of clips can make it difficult to see or retrieve individual items, especially when the hanger is fully loaded. A few reviewers suggest that a slightly sturdier top rod or a reduced number of clips per hanger might improve usability by making it easier to space out items and avoid overcrowding. Nonetheless, the majority of users find the current design to be a practical compromise between space savings and convenience. Ease of installation and use is another area where the Volnamol legging organizer excels. The hangers arrive fully assembled and ready to use, requiring only that they be hung in the desired location. Users appreciate the flexibility to hang the organizers in closets, on doors, or even on walls, depending on their storage needs. The compact dimensions, approximately 14.57 inches wide by 7.87 inches high, allow the organizers to fit in most standard closets without taking up excessive space. The lightweight design, at just over 15 ounces per set, makes handling and repositioning the organizer straightforward. The aesthetic appeal of the organizer is also mentioned in several reviews. The pink color adds a fun and stylish touch to the closet, which some users find uplifting and visually pleasing. While color preference is subjective, the availability of a non-neutral option sets this product apart from more utilitarian organizers on the market. In terms of value for money, the Volnamol legging organizer is generally regarded as a worthwhile investment by most buyers. The combination of high capacity, durable materials, and ease of use justifies the price point for those seeking to declutter and organize their wardrobe. The product's popularity is reflected in its high sales rank, holding the #1 spot in pants hangers, and a strong overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 4,700 customer ratings. This widespread approval suggests that the organizer meets the needs of a broad range of users, from fitness enthusiasts to those simply looking to maximize closet space. Despite its many strengths, the organizer is not without its drawbacks. The most common complaints relate to the strength of the clips, which some users find excessively tight and difficult to open, particularly for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. This tightness, while effective at securing garments, can make the process of hanging or removing items more cumbersome than desired. Additionally, the occasional reports of clips detaching or the hanger breaking under stress indicate that quality control may be inconsistent across units. Prospective buyers should be aware of these potential issues, especially if they plan to use the organizer for heavier items or at full capacity. Another consideration is the suitability of the organizer for different types of garments. While it excels at storing leggings, yoga pants, and similar lightweight items, some users caution against using it for heavier garments such as jeans or thick winter wear, as this may exceed the load-bearing capacity of the hanger. For those with a diverse wardrobe, it may be advisable to reserve the organizer for its intended purpose and use alternative storage solutions for bulkier items. The Volnamol legging organizer also makes an excellent gift for friends, family, or colleagues who value organization and efficient use of space. Its practicality and attractive design make it a thoughtful choice for anyone looking to streamline their closet and reduce clutter. The ability to quickly and easily access a wide range of garments can be particularly beneficial for busy individuals who want to simplify their morning routine or make better use of their wardrobe. In summary, the Volnamol legging organizer for closet offers a compelling solution for those seeking to organize and maximize their closet space. Its high capacity, durable construction, and versatile design make it a standout choice among closet organizers. The strong, rubber-coated clips provide reliable security for a variety of garments, while the plug-and-play usability ensures that even those with minimal DIY skills can benefit from its features. The pink color adds a touch of personality, and the overall build quality meets the expectations of most users. However, potential buyers should be aware of the organizer's limitations, including the tightness of the clips, occasional quality control issues, and the challenges of accessing individual items when the hanger is fully loaded. For those with a large collection of leggings or similar garments, the organizer represents a practical and effective way to keep the closet tidy and accessible. For heavier or bulkier items, alternative solutions may be more appropriate. Overall, the Volnamol legging organizer is highly recommended for anyone looking to declutter their closet, save space, and keep their activewear collection organized and within easy reach. Its popularity and positive reviews from thousands of users attest to its effectiveness and value. If you have experience with this product, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to provide detailed, unbiased reviews.